Hello everyone, welcome back here. This is Dr. Archana Pandey and I hope you are doing great. Today I may look or sound a little bit low because my health is not well because I have got a little bit of eye infection. Presently, it's not a mucormycosis, I got it checked out. So let's hope it get very well recovered. So basically I'm here talking about we all are knowing or we are hearing from many people हमें मल्टीविटामिन्स लेने चाहिए, हमें विटामिन डी लेना चाहिए, विटामिन B12 की डेफिशिएंसी हो रही है तो वो लेना चाहिए. बट एक्चुअली ये होता क्या है कि व्हाट इज़ मल्टीविटामिन, कौन कौन से विटामिन्स होते हैं उसके अंदर, वो जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल है उसमें हमें कौन सा लेना चाहिए, कैसे लेना चाहिए. सो विल बी डिस्कसिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन दिस वीडियो. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स गेट इनटू द डिटेल ऑफ दिस. So especially those who have not subscribed yet to this channel, which is Akami Life Sciences by Dr. Archana Pandey, so please do subscribe it. You'll be getting the videos related to the life sciences, that is in microbiology, biotechnology, and some few health related things at present looking of this pandemic situation. So first of all, what are multivitamins? So multivitamins, they are basically, you can say or you can call it them as a dietary supplements जिसमें आप minerals होंगे या बाकी और भी nutritional requirements होते हैं जो हम किसी टैबलेट्स के फॉर्म में, कैप्सूल, पाउडर, लिक्विड और इन सम केसेस इंजेक्टेबल्स के फॉर्म में अवेलेबल होते हैं. There are few injectables of this supplemented multivitamins which are being given only on the prescription. Like अगर डॉक्टर का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है तो ही आप उन्हें ले सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि जिसे मन है वो ले लेगा. सो इट इज़ नॉट इवन एडवाइजेबल ऑल्सो कि इवन अगर आप कुछ मेडिसिन भी लेते हैं तो यू शुड कंसल्ट द डॉक्टर्स बिफोर हैविंग इट बिकॉज everyone's body is not reacting the same. So we need to know what our body requires. किसी को देख के like looking at the, you can say any of us or the people like us कि भाई ये बंदा ये ड्रिंक ले रहा है तो हमें लेना चाहिए, या ये सप्लीमेंट्स ये ले रहा है तो हमें लेना चाहिए. सो इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. Ideally you should take only what your body requires or what your body is asking for. So if we look at the products and the components, what are there ideally in the multivitamins? So it is going to have vitamin C, vitamin B complex, which includes of vitamin B1, B2, vitamin B3, B5, B6, B12. It also has vitamin D3, which is being mainly required for our bones, vitamin K, then it has the iodine, selenium, manganese, magnesium. Then it is having beta carotene, zinc. These all are the different minor quantity of amounts which are being required by our body. Now what things which are available in the market, it is being designed, okay, based on the age, based on the sex, like what quantity should male should have and what quantity should female have. It is being designed accordingly because the requirement of male and female is never same. It is going to vary. Like suppose I give an example, the requirement of iron is higher in females as compared to the males. So suppose if you are looking for a multivitamins, the male one who consumes it may have a little iron content as compared to the female one. So I'm here, that is basically a person like me who is working, and there are many people who are like watching right now. They might also be a working woman or like a student or somewhere they are engaged in a busy schedule. Even a housewife is watching. Like presently looking at the scenario, we are not getting much time to get all these tough supplements separately and take it, right? So I am here, that is with one product which I have been taking from last, you can say 10 days. That is from the Fast and Up, that is their Vitalize. Ideally it is good for them also, like who have just got recovered from the COVID, because their platelet counts get down, their hemoglobin is getting down during this infection. So these all what it says, it is a multivitamin with a beetroot. Okay, so it is having all the different vitamins. Like if I can read out, it is having all the B complexes, that is vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, B9, vitamin A, D3 is there, K is there, copper, iron, magnesium. Things are available in this. Even all the details I'll just share in the screen. Okay, so you get an idea what quantity it is having. Plus one of the most important thing, that is it is non having no any flavors, no any sugar content. So it is really good for people who are especially health conscious. And if it is like, I'll show. First of all, I like to brief like what is Fasten Up. They are the brand which got an idea, like they are having a passion, like they caters all the nutritional needs of all the athletes. And it is a brand which is being introduced in inception of year, that is 2015. Presently you can buy this product because looking at the present scenario, what we are trying to say, that is we should support local for vocal, or we should support the products made in India. So this product is made in India, so you can support this brand as well. Now, one of the most important thing I would like to discuss about this product, that it is a effervescent tablet. Now, many of people like especially जो नॉन साइंस बैकग्राउंड से होंगे, उन्हें एक ऐसा होगा कि ये क्या होता है, effervescent मतलब क्या. सो effervescent इज़ लाइक, आई कैन से कि अगर आपने कभी ट्राई किया हो कि बहुत ही ड्राई मिट्टी है अगर, ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ वेरी ड्राई सॉइल, और आप उसमें अगर पानी डालें तो क्या होता है, यू सी द बबल्स कमिंग आउट, राइट. या फिर अगर आपके पास एक्वेरियम है और उसके अंदर हम ऑक्सीजन के लिए एक पाइप और एक मोटर इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, तो व्हाट यू सी, डिफरेंट बबल्स आर कमिंग आउट, राइट. एंड साउंड स्टूडेंट्स दे कैन ईजिली को रिलेट कि एफोवेसेंस क्या होता है. लाइक स्पेशली अगर आपने 11th-12th केमिस्ट्री में प्रैक्टिकल्स किए होंगे, तो हम बहुत से प्रैक्टिकल्स में एफोवेसेंस देखते हैं कि अगर हम कोई केमिकल्स या कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो इज़ देयर एनी राइज इन दैट, और इज़ देयर एनी बबल्स कमिंग आउट, दैट इज़ एफोवेसेंट. नाउ द कंसेप्ट कि ये effervescent टैबलेट क्यों, it is much more you can say convenient, much more effective, much more safer than our normal tablets which are available. कैसे, how, that is कि ये जो टैबलेट है, this is simply water soluble. Like I'll just add a clip next here in the side. Like you have to simply take this tablet, you have to just dip in the water, यू कैन सी द बबल्स आर कमिंग आउट. इट मीन्स कि वो पूरा का पूरा टैबलेट उस पानी में डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा. एट द एंड आपको उस पूरे बॉटल में या ग्लास में कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. इट मीन्स कि जो टैबलेट ली थी आपने, उसमें जितने भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे, जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स थे, व्हाट ऑल इट हैड इन इट इज बीइंग solubilized in the water. Now what you have to take, you have to just drink that water. So by this, two things are happening. First, you get a hydration, like you're drinking like 200-250 ml of water. Secondly, you're getting all the benefits of that multivitamins and all the what you can say trace minerals, and everything which is being required is directly going into our system. Whereas as compared to normal tablets, what happened, आप उस टैबलेट को लेते हैं, यू swallow it with the water, now it will go to your system and then वो वहाँ पे डिज़ोल्व होगा. कितना डिज़ोल्व हो रहा है हमें नहीं पता, कितना वेस्ट में जा रहा है वो हमें नहीं पता. So that is why these effervescent tablets are really good, and really you can say you will see the results very clearly. Okay, along with that it has a very good taste. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ गंदा सा कड़वा सा टेस्ट आ रहा है. It has a really good taste, and they have different varieties. You can check them out. I'll share the link as well. And those who are my subscribers, or those who are my followers on Instagram also, I'll just you can see the coupon code on this bottom. You can use that so that you get an additional discount by using this coupon code. And you can check out their various ranges are there, like orange is there, then this multivitamin is there, then their fast reload is also there, I think. Yeah, they have different type of fizz. So this is nothing but it is a fizz drink, you can call it. So it is having very good flavor, along with the, you can say, the benefits. It is also easy to digest. Okay, because there is nothing to digest ideally, because सब कुछ पानी में dissolve हो चुका है. You have to simply just drink it. So that is why I prefer these. And especially people like me, like if you don't get time कि special एक time बैठ के निकाल के हम कोई juice पी रहे हैं, कुछ भी है, I take it during my working hours only. I carry this in my handbag, and I just take it during my any of the time interval. I am like I need some to to drink and energize myself. So I simply drink it there. So I think it is really very handy. Also, if you can see the size, it is like, I think, palm size only, so you can carry it anywhere, wherever you want to. So this one contains around 20 tablets and the price is around 390 rupees. So that's okay, that's fine. Presently, looking at the situation, you should add something like this to your routine, which will help you get better day by day. So this is it from my side, and if you have any queries or something, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy to answer you all. And I'll also give the coupon code in the comment description. You can check it out from there as well. So thank you for watching me, and thank you once again.